a great day, I'm feeling good. Oh, the possibilities of what
Hi guys, I am Tina from Makeup Wearables, and today we're gonna create a simple and easy, elegant bun hairstyle that you can do in about 2 minutes. Alright, so first, if your hair is hard to style like mine or just too clean, we're gonna use some hair wax or some dry shampoo to make this even easier. And then we're gonna lightly tease our crown because bigger the hair, closer to God. So now make a deep side part, then clip away your crown and the heavy side before putting the rest into a low ponytail. And then lightly twist the ponytail before grabbing a piece of hair at the end to scrunch upwards with your opposite hand. Then wrap it around the self to form a bun. It could be a messy bun, neat bun, perfect bun, whichever bun you like. And just pin it in place. Next, take the crown and twist it in the direction of your part before wrapping it around the bun and pinning it in place. So I part my hair on my right side, so I'm going to twist it towards the right. If you part your hair on the left side, then you would twist it towards the left. And then we're just going to tug on the twist to loosen it up a bit to create more volume and texture. Alright, so we're going to repeat that with the side section. However, it's important that you keep the hair directly above your ear, tightly pulled back, or this elegant bun is going to turn into this saggy bun, okay? So be mindful of where the hair directly above your ear is when you start tugging on it. And that was basically it. It takes about 2 minutes to do, and you always end up looking chic and put together afterwards. If you like these easy hairstyles, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys again next week. Love you guys. Bye.